Okay, so I'm going to show you how to resolve this error. So I'm trying to install Windows Server 2022 and it gives me this error. Windows cannot find a Microsoft software license terms. So we're going to have to change the setup a little bit. So just power off your machine. This is virtual machine, so just power that off. And then, oh, it runs again. Hilarious. Power off. Right. We need to go into, well, we need to delete the virtual machine that we've created and set it up again. So, are you powered off? Come on, let's go remove. Right, and then create new, custom, next. And then here, I actually added my ISO. Just skip that step. I'll install the operating system later. Say next. Windows Server 2022. Oh yeah, select the right operating system here, the exact one. So mine is Windows Server 22. Say next, and then yeah, this is just the location where it will be installed. UEFI, gonna just leave it on that. Bump it up to 4 gig a little bit. NAT, that, NVMe, virtual, and single file, that, and that. Right, once your virtual machine is set up, I'm gonna go into the settings of that virtual machine, obviously to put the ISO in manually. So just come to CD and DVD and use ISO image file, browse, and go to your ISO file. Mine is server eval. Put that in. Boom. There shouldn't be anything else here. No. Now let's say okay. And let's start this up. Let's go big screen. Oops, I didn't press that thing. Where's the Control Alt Delete restart? Yeah, let's go. Right, so next install. And then which standard eval for me. Next, and it should run now. Accept that. 60. Yeah, resolve that problem very goodly. Good.